Anyway, I'm just at the beach again here in northern France, and you gotta check this out. This is so cool. So behind me, have a little bit of a, I guess this is an unconformity. You have this loose stuff on top, and then down below, you got all this rock here. Here, let's go have a closer look. So, I did do a little bit of reading about what this possibly could be, the stuff up top. So we are in an area that was glaciated. So this doesn't look like till, but I guess there's a lot of loess, 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 which is basically after the glacier is ground up, or sorry, no, after the glacier grounds up the ground. We're talking ice age stuff here. So after the ice sheet, I guess that's more proper. After the ice sheet grounds up all the stuff and some of the rocks get washed away, there's a lot of really fine powdered. In Whitehorse we have a lot of this, which has ended up in the clay cliffs. It's been washed down, reworked, and into the clay cliffs, but this is a really cool unconformity. So I was trying to see what this stuff below is, and it's kind of the same stuff. It's kind of the same deal with what I was trying to deal with down at that site just below where the university is, and I guess you can't really tell if it is, or I can't tell because I'm still learning this shit. I can't really tell if it's sandstone or granite, but it does have a very granite look to it, especially this stuff here. This is all stuff, and I'm leaning towards it being more of a granitic type of rock. This looks like an intrusion into the granite. Right here, this looks like one type of rock, and then this looks like another type. I don't know if that's true or not. However, I just want to, so what I'm guessing is this stuff is loose, so it's more of a fine grained material at top there, and then towards the bottom this is more what it would have been you know, as the glaciers started melting, and the heavier rocks, they would have kind of fallen down. So this kind of looks like the poorly sorted, this so above here and about here, so it's poorly sorted. There's lots of different types of rocks. We got a green one here. I don't know what that is. I could break it open. Here, let's break it open, see what we got. It's hard. It's got lots of crystals in it. So maybe a gneiss of some sort. It's different than granite, but anyway. Yeah, so you can see the poorly sorted section there, and then above it's pretty well sorted, but it's thick. It's a thick package. Well, that way it's 1.5 or so. But I was checking this area down below the beach here, and there's areas here that look like this is basalt almost, but this is, where is it? There was one here with kind of like a radial, like a pillow lava kind of look to it almost. Yeah, like right here. little anyway, I don't have a hammer to break some of this stuff, but I think it's actually, it's not a mafic. It's dark, but I think it's dark because of the weathering. It's just on the outside. I did find some rocks that I was able to pull off from this section here. This was right here, and it's kind of you can tell like it's a lighter rock. This was actually in there like that, but it's part of this rock here, and you can look at the inside here. It's shiny. There's crystals in there. So granitic type based stuff. Here's another one that I broke open. Yeah, and you can see as I turn it in the light, there's some crystals in there. I did see this stuff right here, so there's like these cracks up and down here, and there's a little bit of different coloring that's kind of going on in here. So I don't know if that's like an intrusion, probably an intrusion of some sort. There was some tectonic activity that created some cracks. Doesn't look much squirted up in there. There we go. Anyway, I'm at the beach. I should be doing more beach stuff. I'm gonna head over here, do some more beach stuff, see if we can find some crabs. But this is pretty cool because I had heard that there is a lot of loess. I mean, loess is, I guess it's one of the main things that makes it very fertile here in France. So there's a whole belt of fertile ground that's main composition is loess. So cool to see that. Anyway, signing off. I'll catch you in the next video. I'll probably do a few more videos in France, but I will catch you in the next one. Ciao. I mean, au revoir.